Skystone is developing new technology for the thin wire. We have the 4.8 millimeter. This wire we can cut very hard material like quartzite, and we can cut many blocks of this material. Then we have the 4.3, already very good developed. This wire is also good for hard granite and soft medium granite. Then we have the small one, the 3.5, that we use normally for marble, and we have a very good performance in this. You can see here, you can compare the diameter and the number of slabs we can get. For example, in the 5.3 we can get 38, in the 4.8 we can get 39, for the 4.3 we can get 2 slabs more, and for the 3.5 we can get 3 more slabs on the same part of block. Okay? Choose Skystone. Choose success.